The Mickey Thompson Sportsman SR will be for the owners who are looking for a DOT legal radial front runner for their drag setup from one of the most trusted names in drag racing. Now your sizing will be available for 15, 17, and 18-inch wheels with tire heights ranging from 26 to 30 inches tall. Now you're going to find a few different widths available and a majority will be in the traditional skinny sizing. However, there will be wider options available like we have here, so either way feel free to check out the product page to get a better idea of the sizing depending on your wheel diameter. Pricing, as always, will vary depending on your size, but you're looking to spend around $200 for most skinny sizes, with some of the wider options, again like we have here, landing at just north of $300 per tire. Now the SR in Sportsman SR actually refers to street rod, as this tire was designed as a modern radial for the muscle cars and hot rods of yesterday. Basically guys out there who wanted the performance, the ride quality, and the look of a modern tire and would prefer not to go with a period correct bias ply or something that frankly just looks a little bit dated. Now in doing so, they actually created a very popular tire that late model Mustang guys like myself found as a suitable front runner or skinny for their big and little drag setup. Now, running a skinny up front at the track will have a couple of benefits, from shedding a little bit of weight to lessening your rolling resistance and even helping take some of the sway out of the car on the big end. Now, ideally, you'd love to pair a radial front runner up with a drag radial in the rear, but I'm actually running a Sportsman SR with a bias ply in the rear, and the car has been rock solid for me, crossing the traps at over 135 miles an hour. A couple of things to point out here with the Sportsman SR. It is a directional tire thanks to its very unique flame tread pattern, as Mickey T likes to call it, meaning you can only rotate it a couple of different ways. It's also been given an H speed rating. Now this thing is a radial. It has been given the DOT stamp of approval, making it fully street legal. So guys out there who love running their big and little combo all year long, I can't blame you, but this will certainly be a good option. But chances are, if you are running the skinny version of the Sportsman SR up front, chances are you're running a drag radial or something like that in the back. So just be careful getting caught in the rain with this thing. Even though this does have some tread, chances are your radial or slick does not. Another big thing to point out, if you are running a skinny up front, your handling will suffer dramatically. So don't try entering your car in any autocross races with the skinny up front, and be sure to use caution when handling with that skinny in place. But in closing guys, if you're looking for a front runner tire to use on your big and little combo, the Sportsman SR is a tried and true skinny option that will get you to and from the track thanks to its DOT stamp of approval, in addition to getting you down the track a little bit quicker as well. So be sure to check out the Sportsman SR front runner from Mickey Thompson right here at AmericanMuscle.com.